Hey everyone, I'm Flo. Hope you're all having a wonderful Thanksgiving weekend. Well, my Canadian viewers. I don't know about you, but one of my biggest struggles every single day is trying to figure out what's for dinner. I will always struggle with that question, but nowadays I have a lot more options because I've learned to cook differently. Now, I'm not a professional chef and I never learned to cook through cooking school or anything like that. Everything I've learned from years of experience, lots of trial and error, and way too much Food Network. I feel like I'm constantly running out of time. I work. I am shuttling the kids from activity to activity, from program to school, after school. There's just so much to do in a day. So it's 4 o'clock. I pick up the kids from school, and now what's for dinner? A, I get takeout. B, we go out to eat. C, I pick up a rotisserie chicken from the supermarket, which actually is not such a bad idea. Or D, make dinner. If you're new to the channel, you will find that I am not a fussy cook. I don't do complicated, but I do want a lot of flavor in a short amount of time. And I like to use tools that will help me get there. Now, one of my biggest struggles when I actually go out to eat is to figure out what to order, because I don't want to order anything that I could possibly make at home. By cooking more efficiently at home, I am helping to save the family money and gaining more time to spend with my family and to do the things that I love. You all know I love my electric pressure cooker. It gets deep flavors faster than on the stovetop. I can get a meal quickly onto the table. And once I program it to cook, I can spend that time with my family because once I set it, I don't have to think about it. It used to take me hours to make bolognese sauce on the stovetop.
What are you making today?
I'm making bolognese sauce. I like to put bacon and ground beef and sausage. But now one of our favorite meals that we make almost weekly is my one-pot pasta. It just infuses all the flavors from the bolognese sauce right into the pasta, and dinner is like ready in less than half an hour. Well, look at these little pastas, they're so cute. I happen to use an Instant Pot, but there are so many other brands out there. You just have to go out and get one so that you can start being more efficient in the kitchen. I cannot believe how small sous vide devices are these days. They used to be giant tubs that would sit on your counter. Now you can use these sous vide ones and use it in any sized pot and it will circulate and heat up your water. Since using the sous vide wand, making steak is just unbelievable. I know it takes a lot longer to make steak than just pan searing it. You're getting medium rare from edge to edge.
This is pink edge to edge. Aside from where we finished it on either side, it's pink and consistent all the way through.
When you cook steak on a pan, you will find that a medium rare will be medium rare kind of in the middle, and then it'll just like gradient to a gray because you've now made the edge of your steak well done, and just the middle part is medium rare. But with the sous vide one, you get medium rare, pink all the way through, and then you sear it just a minute on each side to get a crust on it. Oh, you have to try it. It is just amazing. And after getting the amazing results on steak, I graduated to a prime rib. So a 3-rib prime rib being sous vide, pink, medium rare from edge to edge. And then you just brown it at the very end, and it is just amazing. There are a lot of different models and brands of sous vide devices out there, ranging from very inexpensive to very expensive with all the bells and whistles. I happen to use the Joule, and I love the features of the Joule, and I operate it from my app on my phone. And if you want to elevate your cooking or just, level up on the food that you prepare, get a sous vide device. You will not regret it. Now, the least sexy of all my kitchen tools that I'm showing you today, and I do call them tools because they're only gadgets if you let them sit on your shelf unused, collecting dust. Okay? This pan was given to me by a chef friend. It's very well used, and I love doing one sheet pan meals in the oven. Everything is just chopped up, laid on the sheet pan, and it goes in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on what you're cooking. And then all that time you can spend with your family and just wait for dinner to be ready. One of my favorites is using chicken legs and layering the bottom with vegetables. Looks amazing! It smells really good.
Nice. Can you hear that? That's crispy skin.
You're not gonna get crispy skin like that in the Instant Pot. Chicken legs are inexpensive, and it's just delicious. It's like roast chicken, but without roasting the whole chicken, with vegetables right underneath, collecting all the juices. I hope these tips will inspire you to be more efficient in the kitchen so that you can spend more time with your family and save money and do the things that you love. You can find the links to these items in the description below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't already I think somewhere down there. And check out my cookbook and more videos off to the side. Till next time, be simple, ordinary, and joyful.